really like this light. I've been using this for making content actually. So all of these are fully adjustable. You can close them down, you can rotate them. You know, a lot of adjustment here. It has the buttons right here with an indicator. If you click it, it goes through the different, you know, powers. If I could do this, hold on. And then it also has a light up here as well. Don't know what that's for. I guess that'd be good for ceilings. It shines up on the ceiling. If I want to do this, I can also then dim it, right? I can go higher. And for some reason, it's got a strobe. I don't know why you'd want a strobe on a work light like this. Maybe you like to party at work, you know? That's cool. USB-C to get power into it right here. And you can also get power out of it and charge other devices with it. It's got a 9,000 milliamp battery in it, which is 3 iPhone batteries in this one device. You can also use it as a tabletop lamp, right? So obviously you could just sit on a table. This is the, I'm gonna put it over here so we have light. This is the stand, right? Real quick to close it, right? And it folds up pretty nice. I really don't see an issue. It's plastic, pretty lightweight, pretty durable because it's plastic. It has these little pins here so you can, oh, sorry. You can't see what I'm talking about. It's got these pins here. So what this is for is if you're using it outside, right? So imagine this is down, you could put a stake through here. Maybe if you're doing drywalling and painting and stuff like that, you can run screws through this into the subfloor, you know, obviously if you don't have a finished floor. So, you know, kind of versatile. This is the screw on it, which I really like because it makes it really easy to get it on. Also, I forgot to mention, it has magnets on it, so you can magnetically attach this to something. You can also hang it. So I could do something like this, right? And it'll hang. Oh, this is getting in my way. So it'll hang, right? Or if I want to hang it with the hook, I can do that. All right, so that's the light. I think it's pretty cool. I'm Mike, and I'm out.